Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, by popular demand, we have the test that everybody asked for. We're gonna test everything about sous vide bags. Let's go. So by popular demand guys, you guys asked for this, and I have some notes in here that I took from the comments that you guys left, where you guys have a lot of good points in there. And one of the points is the steaks were different. Yes, the steaks were different. So to fix that problem, today we have this beautiful, amazing Wagyu picanha right in front of you guys, and we're gonna cut the steaks out of this picanha. As you can see, the marbling within this picanha is amazing. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's already sweating. When you touch it, when you play with it, and you can see my hands are, as soon as I touch them, my hands become full of fat, and it's a beautiful feeling. So we have this beautiful picanha here. We're gonna find the fibers. As you can see, the fibers are really visible in this case. We're gonna just cut with the fibers and be done with it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is amazing, guys. Look at the marbling in this picanha. This is an Australian Wagyu picanha MS5, which is an amazing piece of meat. And as you can see, the marbling is amazing. And what I'm gonna do now is a scene. I'm gonna make a scene for you guys. I'm gonna take this one for the team, and we're gonna put this amazing rub on it. But as you know, I love traditional ways of cooking, and normally picanha is cooked only with salt. But in this case, guys, we're gonna make an exception, and we're gonna go with this award-winning amazing rub from my friend Sebastian, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on this baby right now, right here. Alright guys, we have everything with this beautiful rub right on top. As you can see, they're looking really black and really nice. And now we have the experiment. This is the experiment, okay? We have one bag here that is gonna be vacuum sealed, and we have another bag here, which is the regular Ziploc bag. We're gonna take the air out of this one, and this one is gonna be also a Ziploc bag. This one we're not gonna take the air out, and the other steak is gonna be done on the grill. That's it, guys. There is nothing here. As you can see, I didn't put any oil. I didn't do any of that you guys were complaining last time about. So let's get into this, guys. Guys, it's been an hour and a half, and I think these babies are ready, so let's take them out. Oh, smell delicious, guys. Number 8 here, and it's looking amazing. I love the way it looks. That beautiful color got in there really well, and we didn't have a lot of juices in the bag. We have number B here, which is the bag that we take the air off with the water. Let's open it up. Yeah, we don't have any liquid here either. Put this on the side. Then we have the one with the bag with air. Just open this up. And as you can see, we have a little tiny bit of liquid in there. Not a big deal at all. So let me put it in order here. We have number A, number B, number C, and we have number D. Right here. Now let's get these babies, let's light up that grill, and let's put them in there and see what happens. Let's go. Miss Ninja, here we have it. Exactly the same test we did last week. Well, it's not exactly the same test, guys.
It takes forever.
It's different. I mean, we try a bunch of different things, but the taste is about testing.
What are we testing? The taste? The flavor?
The test is about tasting, okay? We have to check the flavor and see which of those number is like this. Number A, B, C, and D. Who tastes better there?
Okay, which one tastes better?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right.
Let's go then.
Man, this has been a long video, so it's better if we start right away, okay?
Yes, let's do it.
Let me get the pine trees away from it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me put it there. And let's go for number A. You know what number A is, okay? But don't say it.
Cut a piece for me, please.
Yes, I'm gonna cut a piece for you.
Mm-hmm.
A little one, because otherwise it takes forever.
There you go. I like that color on you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Ninja, number A.
Number A.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. You use that rub?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, that rub is excellent. Seriously.
Everything is the same, guys. The same rub. The technique is the one that changed. And that number A is real good.
Mm-hmm.
I really like it.
Really good.
Tender, flavorful, and juicy. Exactly the way I want picanha to be. Let's go for number B, and let's see what's up with number B.
It's different.
The flavor went down a lot. Let me just put it that way.
That's what I was going to say.
It's not the same flavor. It doesn't look to be the same steak, to tell you the truth. But flavor-wise, it went down.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go for number C, Miss Ninja. We have number C here. It's
Number
looking
C.
beautiful. Let's go. I mean, number C is good. Number C is, I think it's a little better than number B, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
It's flavor-wise, okay? We're just talking about flavor here. I think it's a little B. I think it's a little better than number B. I like it.
Okay. This is a lot of steak, let me tell you.
All right, Miss Ninja. I'll let you get that.
There we go.
I'm gonna get the little piece for me.
God, you eat so fast. Oh, wow.
Wow, guys. We have a nice chocolate flavor here for sure. Miss Ninja, from number A, B, C, and D, which is your favorite?
I'm torn apart between A and D.
All right, A and D.
Uh-huh.
But you need to get a main one here. We need a winner here, Miss Ninja.
I will. Okay. The best and the punch of the charcoal?
Yes.
D.
Number D is the winner for Miss Ninja,
Yes,
and number D is the winner for me.
Is it?
Too. Yes, sir. Number D is good. Number D is amazing. Number D is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
And I tell you guys, number A is pretty close, okay? I understand why you guys were saying what you were saying, all right? Number A is real good, but number B, no, number C, number B and number C are pretty similar, to tell you the truth. Number D is way superior. And the thing that made the change here is the charcoal flavor.
What is the experiment between A, B, C, and D?
Okay, this is what happened.
Gotcha.
Number A was vacuum sealed and sous vide.
Okay.
Number B was in the Ziploc that we just extracted all the air off the bag.
Gotcha.
Number C is in the Ziploc, but we didn't get any air. We just put it in the Ziploc and drop it in there.
Gotcha.
And number D, the winner here is all the way in the grill.
Oh, no.
And what happened, guys, is that you put this steak in the grill with the charcoal going on, and you leave it in there for about 20 to 30 minutes, you know, until that internal temperature hit 120 degrees, which is the one that I like, is there absorbing all those flavors and all those things. This rub has been the winner of a few good competitions here in Florida.
It's really good.
And it's really good. And as you can see, the colors on that rub is amazing.
I love that. That's for sure.
And the vacuum seal makes a difference. I know I try without vacuum sealing and all that stuff. I think it was a mistake last time that we made this video because we should try it with vacuum seal. And yes, the vacuum seal makes a difference. It makes such a big difference to beat the grill? No, but it's kind of close. They are pretty much over there, you know. Number A is here, number D is here, number B and C are down there.
Yes.
That's the thing. And guys, let me tell you something. Today we have to give you the winner of the giveaway.
Oh
let me look for my computer.
The Ninja Grill.
Yes.
Your own indoor grill. You're gonna love it.
Let me look for my computer and let's get into this, man, because it's very awesome, all right?
Let's do it.
All right, guys, we have the computer here and we are ready to go. Let me just put the link here and we're gonna just filter the duplicate users. Let's go for it. All right, it's loading. We have 370 comments.
Oh, wow.
So let's click on start and let's see who the winner is, man.
Oh my God.
Oh man, it's rolling.
Good luck to everybody. Good luck to everybody.
Winning. Oh! BBBPC. I don't remember.
BBBYPSI.
You are the man, bro. You won this thing. Even Mr. Georgie is going crazy here.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Your comments are always on every single video.
Congratulations, man. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, BBBYPSI. Man, I love you. I just don't know how to pronounce that. But man, you are the winner. All you have to do is go to my Instagram. It's right here and send me a message. We're going to get back to you and we're going to figure out a way to send this to you. It's amazing. Congratulations.
Yes, you always comment in all our videos. Oh my God.
Yes, man. You support us so much and this is great because
congratulations.
It's amazing. Guys, we don't have any shout out here today because otherwise this video is going to take forever. It will never end. Like what the name of that movie? The story that never ends, something like that.
The never ending story.
That's not the name.
I don't know. I just made it up. Whatever.
The one with the dragon that looked like a dog and flies and stuff. Forget about it.
Forget about it.
If you like the video, please hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it, man, because we're doing a lot of crazy tests and stuff in here that I know you guys are gonna love, and it's a lot of fun.
Yes. What are you waiting for? So go ahead and subscribe.
And hit the bell when you click on that red button, you're gonna see a little bell in it. Hit into it because Miss Nee is gonna tell you why.
You will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
And if you have any comment, any idea, any suggestion, anything that you want to talk about, this video we made it because of you guys' comment. It's amazing. Yes. We tried it all, and I mean, I was like, yes, we need to try this thing and make it happen. Put the comment down there. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and remember that I love you.
We love you, and let's do this. Stay home and be safe.
Be safe.